Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android dead pixel on screen. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your browser on your device. Once you're inside your browser, what you can search for is JScreen Fix. That is JScreen Fix, and then you can tap on JScreen Fix, tap on Begin Diagnostics, and then what you can do is scroll down and then tap on Start Repair. Once you're here, tap on Fix and then tap on Start JScreen Fix. From here you can tap on the dead pixel or you can double tap to exit once you're done. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is use the presser method. For that, turn off your device, find a soft clean cloth to protect the screen, and then press gently with a blunt soft tipped object or your finger right on the spot of the bad pixel. However, if the issue still persists, then it may likely be a hardware issue and you may have to visit the service center for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down